I can't believe I'm the first one I'm the first kid on the roof filming my dad. I'm trying to not film you, jocks.
Rough.
It looks like you're in the Coochie tunnels. I think you're just gonna break the wall. That's the only thing you're gonna be doing. There's 4 there, 3 there, 3 there. There's 3 on the rest of them.
All right, we'll try and mount it up, eh? Just getting ready to do the second bulkhead over the other part of the kitchen now. Now the overhead cupboards don't go right the way around the kitchen. We leave this window wall open and makes the space feel a little bit bigger. Just gonna set the compressor up, set the nail gun up, put the airline up into the ceiling and start chopping some timber. So now what I've done is I've marked out on the wall where the frame and gyprock are going to finish for the bulkhead. And when I'm in the ceiling, to sort of guide me in a bit better direction to where to start the first noggin, I'm going to poke a little hole through the ceiling here. So I'm just going to poke it at the edge. So we've made it through. I've pre-cut the noggins that I'm going to add in. I think I'm going to add in 3. Now I've found that little pinhole that I put through the ceiling. Now it's just here, and I'm slotting my first.
Oh yeah, Daddy, can I go over there to show the viewers the hole?
Yep.
I wish I could.
Yeah, if you pass me the camera.
Yeah, here.
I'll show. So there's the noggin that we've put in, and there's that little pinhole that we poked up with the screwdriver. So I'm going to measure 600 and then another 600 down there, and then replace the insulation back in. I'll pass it back to you, Finn.
It looks like you're in the Coochie tunnels.
Luckily we've got the special light. I think I'm going to need that. I think I'm going to have to nail this noggin in to be able to get in there, so it might just be a little bit loud.
And I can't cover my ears, Daddy. I'm too close. I'm trying to not film you, jocks.
Alright, watch your ears. Ready? I'm just going to put my safety glasses on.
Now go.
Ready?
That wasn't that loud.
Wasn't too bad?
Yeah, it wasn't that loud.
Alright, got that one in.
Sorry, I wasn't filming. I was only like watching out. I'm going like this and I can't see what I'm filming.
No,
so I might have moved the camera.
That's alright. I'm going to add another one in. It would have probably been easier to lift the roof sheet to nail this in, but we're already this far.
I think I'm stepping on that wall stuff.
Yeah, as long as you're stepping on the ceiling joist.
I can't believe I'm the first one I'm the first kid on the roof filming my dad. With a nail gun.
600.
Daddy, is it gonna be loud again?
It's just gonna be the same.
Okay, great. Can we move? I'm gonna move a little bit because so I can see you do it.
This one,
Okay.
you can just stay there.
I got a perfect spot. I just go like this.
I didn't bring my framing hammer, so I have to use my hand.
You look like Ty Loon.
Alrighty.
You don't need a hammer. Ty Loon Fury. The strongest man in the world. Does doesn't need a hammer because he's already won with his fists. Just banging and banging and banging. The bam, bam,
Alright,
bam.
ready?
Yep, cover your ears. It's even louder than before. Oh, that's loud. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm moving.
I'm gonna chuck one more in.
Okay.
She's very, very low this one. I might just do it. Oh, it's just...
Wow, you're crouching down. It makes me move my hand and then film me up.
Alright.
Why is your foot?
Lucky last.
Yay! Finally, I won't be able to hear that irritating noise. Well, and also kind of nice. Pew! There you go. Pew! That's not even that one. That one was probably the less sound one that you had. Actually, these pieces of wood are actually these chip rock is not that hard, and it's not that hard to climb on because I thought it was gonna be like big and wide I have to stand on,
Yeah.
like gymnastics, like on a balance beam.
Oh, the
but-
balance beam.
Yeah, but I got things to lean on and stuff.
Yeah.
Right down there, recording this hole right here, and I'm like,
Would that be funny?
yeah.
We should record that.
Yeah, can I stay up here?
I'll hop down first so I can foot the ladder for you to get down.
Yeah.
What's the most important thing when we're going through the ceiling?
Make sure they're not stepping on this stuff.
The insulation and the gyp rock?
Yeah.
Make sure you're stepping on the timber.
Yeah.
Yep.
And make sure they're not step on any wires or pipes.
Yep.
And make sure to not mess around.
That's right. And you go really slow, don't you?
Yeah.
Yep. Alrighty, we'll jump down. Alright, pass me the hose down. Beautiful, perfect.
Hello. Yep, I started.
Okay, now we've got all the bulkhead, all of the wall frame pencil marks where I have to nail this first part of the bulkhead up. Now what I'm making sure is the timber's relatively straight so I don't have to adjust the overhead covers too much. So nail this up.
Watch out! Oh my.
Press is flat. You have to charge it up.
Ha!
Press is on.
Of course it wasn't.
Ah, the multi-tool. We didn't have it plugged in.
Okay, finish.
Alrighty, now I'm gonna this piece.
Glad you finally took off the sunglasses so people can see you.
Alright, we're going to chop up some more of the bulkhead and we'll switch back to when it's ready to mount up.
See ya!
So I've pre-cut all the pieces. Just want to make sure it's nice and square.
I like
This
the
deck's
square.
not best to
Triangle. Oh, that's loud. You didn't even tell the views it's going to be loud.
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
That was the loudest thing ever. That was the loudest thing ever. Oh, I can see mommy. No, I'm just joking. Oh, that's loud. I just saw a spark. Yeah, I just saw a sparking on the.
Oil I used.
So is the ladder done? That's not a ladder. It's meant. It's not a ladder. It looks totally like one. That thing looks totally like a ladder. Snatch. Whoa. Well, loud. You didn't tell me loud. Oh, Daddy.
Yep.
Let me go get the hammer.
Yeah.
I'll go grab it. I'm gonna go. Yeah, Daddy.
Finished?
No, there's one nail down there that's yeah. Can I do
Yeah,
that?
I know, I've seen that.
Yeah, can I do it?
Yep.
Can I hammer it in?
Alright.
Okay, I know.
You grab the hammer. Banging it in?
Yeah.
Is it fully flush? It'll do.
There's 4 there, 3 there, 3 there. There's 3 on the rest of them.
Alright, we'll try and mount it up, eh?
Luckily, you have the nail gun there. Lucky you have the nail gun in there, so you all nail it. Nailed it. Daddy, what are you gonna put there?
Pardon?
What are you gonna put there?
Where, mate?
Like, where you're doing? What are you gonna put there? Overhead cupboards?
Yeah, this is the overhead cupboard's gonna hang.
Oh, that's what you did with that. Yeah. And then you're gonna add some drip rock.
Alright, what I might get you to do
I'm not holding
is
it.
just pass me the...
Oh, nail gun, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Before I nail it in too much though,
Nail. I remember on part 3 you only got 65 subscribers.
I've actually got 7 subscribers. Maybe more, I haven't logged on today.
7 for your 7. And then 65 for the part 3 views. I can't believe
What we're going to check is, we're going to double check all of our measurements.
I think the only 7 is Mama, Papa, Nanny, me, Maisie, and Mommy, and yourself. Will end up falling down on you.
We're going to be pretty good there, Tim.
Right.
See how we are level-wise.
On part 4.
Oh, we're out a bit, so I'm going to have to bring
It's gonna be like
that out a bit further.
4 weeks. You said it's gonna take like 3 weeks. It took like more than that. It took him more than a month. Wait, you have 5 million. That's 5 million. That thing was 5 million. Daddy, did you say 5 mil?
5 millimeters.
Oh, I thought you said
Almost
5 million.
That's pretty good
That thing
there.
costs like 5 million.
Now, I don't trust the chip rock.
You do not.
Good. It's easier when it's out further because I can tap it in from the outside. Whereas at the moment it's quite tricky to.
Use the tape measure to pull it. Are we actually real funny? I think you're only just gonna break the wall. That's the only thing you're doing.
I'm gonna break the wall.
Yeah. I probably think this overhead cupboard thing will just go to an end.
No way.
I think Maisie's playing game at home. She finished on dinner. You think that?
Almost there. What I might do is just nail this.
I nailed it. I nailed it. Up more. Just split a crack through that.
Yeah, that's right. Probably shouldn't.
Oh yeah, Daddy. Was that? Oh yeah. On part 3, why did you add the overhead covers over on top of the fridge? That's too camp. Me and Maisie can't reach it. Is it where you hide stuff? Or that's the best hiding spot in the overhead cupboards or in the fridge?
I'm pretty happy with that thing.
Okay, you wanna go back home? That has
That's
some
exactly
dinner.
right. I put all the candies up there.
Candies?
Alright, what we're gonna have to do.
You're just reminding me of what Maisie's eating right now. She's already finished dinner.